Fuck yeah. So, what it do, you 2222? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. This is gonna be the first video of a series I'm gonna call Backyard Takeover. Basically, just do random shit on the backyard on the bike. Just fucking see how far I can push it. And today, I've never jumped a dirt bike, so today we're gonna jump the dirt bike on this shitty ass homemade ramp I got right here. It seems sturdy. Probably a little too high for the first jump ever, but who gives a fuck? We're gonna fucking try it, and yeah, let's warm up the piece of shit right here. I call the Deathstroke, and let's just see what happens, man. God damn. Yeah. That little ramp ain't gonna hold. Showered in fucking gas, bro. Look at that. Oh, it's open. What the fuck? Endo'd. No tengo mucho espacio para... Oh no. Ah. Well, that's gonna be it for today. That's about all she fucking had. This bitch broke. That bitch broke. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. The goal is to keep pushing the limits, and yeah, Deathstroke kind of survived. Almost fucked it up there at the end, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me also on Instagram at TheRealB13, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you.